In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a summarized table from an existing table in Power BI. This is a great way to distill valuable insights from vast amounts of data, allowing you to better visualize and understand significant trends and metrics. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, let's open up Power BI. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you download and install the latest version from the official Microsoft Power BI site. Once you've got Power BI up and running, we're ready to head straight into the process of creating a summarized table. When you have Power BI open, direct your attention to the top of the interface. You're going to want to find the Modeling tab here. This is where all your modeling actions happen, and it's absolutely essential for our task at hand. Click on the Modeling tab, and you'll be faced with several options. Look for and click on the option to create new table. This step will open a new window where we'll be able to define our new summarized table using DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions. DAX is the formula language for Power BI, and it's primarily used for data manipulation. Once you've initiated the creation of a new table, it's time to punch in some DAX code. This is an exciting part of the process because DAX is super powerful and robust. It allows you to pull specific data from the existing table and perform aggregations or filtering operations to get exactly the insights you're looking for. Make sure you have the necessary DAX code ready. You'll typically need to include functions like summarize, calculate, or filter, depending on the level of summarization or analysis you're targeting from your original table. Bear in mind syntax is crucial here to avoid errors and ensure your code executes successfully. Type your DAX code into the formula bar that appears. As you type, Power BI's IntelliSense feature might attempt to predict your input, so feel free to use this to your advantage. It can save you time and help with accuracy. Once you've keyed everything in as required, hit Enter. Power BI will now process your DAX code and generate the summarized table based on the existing data table you've specified. And there we have it. You should now see your new summarized table appear in the Fields pane on the right side of Power BI. From here, you can drag and drop it into your report canvas, just like any other table. This table can be further visualized and analyzed to derive actionable insights that are specific to your analysis needs. Remember, the more you practice with DAX and other features in Power BI, the more proficient you'll become at efficiently summarizing data for insightful, data